Welcome to the Global Expo held in your city Shillong Polo parking lot from the 28th of July to the 13th of August. In this expo, along with the stalls of Afghanistan and Japan, Thailand, Bangladesh, stalls of different states of the country are set up, in which you will get to see and buy the best products from the front of the neat to the decorative items. So come today to the Global Expo, which will run till the 13th of August.
A day after all cabinet ministers from Meghalaya met the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi on Monday, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma informed that Narendra Modi had assured to look into the demand of ILP and inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule.
We had a number of issues that we discussed and all very, very important issues. And we have discussed and updated him regarding the discussion going on the border talks, and he expressed his concern about different incidents that keep taking place and why within a country these matters cannot be resolved. And he was very, very appreciative of the leadership in the Northeast for having taken the initiative. And he said that these are very difficult challenges, but yet the leadership at different states is now taking this up, and I expressed a lot of happiness in that, and he assured of all support from the government side. Similarly, for the talks with the HNLC also, he was very keen that there should be long-lasting peace in the state of Meghalaya, and again he expressed his happiness, and he wanted us to move forward in this issue and try to resolve it at the earliest. We placed before him the need and the desire of the people of the state for the inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule, and for that also he understood the concerns that were there. He understood the challenges that our people are facing. We mentioned to them that out of the entire process, the fact that our children have to sometimes are not able to give the examination because there are languages which are not known to them. Those languages come up, and this puts a lot of challenges. And so even if provisions can be created where at least in the examinations for a starting point we could have some kind of provisions, up to that level also we discussed with the Prime Minister. We sat for almost 25 minutes with him, one of the longest meetings we've had with the Honourable Prime Minister, and he said that yes, these are genuine concerns, but he expressed the challenges in terms of the different languages, having the different scripts that are there, and having to manage all of that. So those challenges were there, but he definitely has expressed his concern about this issue, and he said definitely that he will examine it. Similarly for the ILP also, we expressed our concerns. Today happens to be the International Indigenous Day, and just one day before that we met Honourable Prime Minister and expressed to him the desire of the people of the state to have a mechanism in our state where we could have provisions through which we could protect the interest of the people of the state, and hence we expressed that ILP is one of the ways in which we can do it. We have tried through MRSSA also. We explained to him about MRSSA also, and he gave us a very patient hearing, and he understood the concerns of the people of the Northeast, and he also has said that he will examine the matter, and he will be in touch with the state government, and he will have a discussion with the Home Ministry also.